Today's workshop was brilliant. I loved it. It was majorly about the social changes we're going to make and the problems that everybody faces and how to deal with those problems. Tomorrow when I wake up, I'm going to think, okay, what changes am I making to society? Am I impacting someone else to make a change?
It was an awesome workshop. I managed to understand who I am and what's my abilities and how can I use these abilities to help other people.
Workshops like this helps me to understand myself. If I want to be successful and start something, I first need to understand myself, my strength, and where I want to go.
I interacted with many people. It started making me how to think. So it's a really good start to my career.
From this workshop today, I learned that we are part of a big picture. Changing the world is not just one person's effort. We need a collective impact. We need everyone's expertise and different perspectives.
Think out of your box, and then makes you really open about yourself.
This workshop really challenged the assumption that I had. I have a more human-centered design approach right now. It really did kickstart my social change career.
I think all students must come for this because it's going to be life-changing.
Be a part of this workshop and it will be a huge thing for you.
Well done.